do you ever get, torn kung kanino ka mas pinipare ng mga tao? Kung kay Yasi, kay Cora?
Do I ever get torn?
Oh, ikaw, yes.
Um,
How do you handle the fans?
the fans. Well, para sa akin, I mean, right now, I'm just focusing on obviously working and trying to learn the language and workshops and everything. So, for me, I just kind of, I'll take whatever opportunity I can get. I mean, whether in the future, whether it's working with Yasi, Cora, Mai, whoever it may
Eto na naman, sulyap ng iyong mata na nagsasabing ika'y nag-iisa. Pinilit kong sabihin, ngunit di ko magawa na magsabing gusto kita.
So last question, who's your girl crush?
so hard. They're all like, they're all amazing girls. All of them. But I don't know. I kind of like Cora, Mai. They're all crazy, funny. They're real. So it's easy. Love them all.
Lahat ibigay sa'yo nang walang alinlangan. Sana'y bigyan naman ng pansin ang puso kong ito. Kaya tanong ko lang kung may nagmamahal ba. Sana'y ako lang. Lagi kitang inaabangan, baka sakaling makausap man lang. Ngunit takot ang nadama pag nariyan ka na. Pero naiinis pag may kausap ka ng iba. Laging nasa isip ka, di na magbabago, magpakaya